Assalamualaikum students and welcome back to your English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria, and this video is for class 6. Students, today we are going to do activity book work. So for this, what you have to do, you have to take out your activity books, your textbooks, your pencil and your erasers. First of all, you must have to know that this is the page number 3. Okay? And one of the parents have told me that you haven't done this page, so today we are going to do this. So take out your textbooks first and then we will do activity book work. So look on your textbook on your page number 5. We have headings in it. A heading is a title at the beginning of a list or text. Headings have the following features. They always begin with a capital letter. They occupy a line by themselves. They do not end with any punctuation. What are the punctuations? Like comma, full stop, exclamation mark, inverted commas, okay, and so many others. So they do not end with these punctuations, okay. Then they occupy a line themselves. For example, these are the lines, okay, so they will occupy a single line. Look at these, okay, it is occupying a line. Then they always begin with the capital letter. A heading is a title at the beginning of a list or text. So क्या होता है कि ये हमेशा किसी भी टेक्स्ट या किसी भी लिस्ट के स्टार्ट में होता है, ठीक है. एंड इट हैव ऑल दीज फीचर्स. Then headings are important because they tell us what to expect from a text. This textbook has many different headings. Can you name some of these headings? How do they help you to read this book? So what they are saying, that headings are important. Why they are important? Because after reading the heading, we will be easily able to understand that what will be the next in the paragraph or in the passage or in the lesson. It will help us to easily understand that now the passage, the paragraph which we are going to read next, and with heading we will easily able to know that what is in this passage. And in our school I have explained it to you very briefly, okay. So in this lesson we have, or in this textbook or in other textbook, we have a lot of headings, okay. So now we have to do its activity book work. Now come back to your activity book work, page number 3. First of all, what you have to do, you have to mention date on your page. Today is 10/7/2020 and day is Friday. Punctuation. Headings. A heading is a title at the beginning of a list or text. I have told you this already. Headings are important because they tell us what to expect from a text. यानी कि इसके अंदर बाद में हेडिंग के बाद इसके बारे में क्या लिखा है, ये हमें उस चीज़ के बारे में थोड़ा बताता है, ठीक है, हिंट दे देता है. Instructions contain a lot of headings to guide us through the different steps. What are the instructions? ठीक है, instructions वो चीज़ें होती हैं या वो बात होती है जो हम दूसरों को बताते हैं कि ये ऐसे नहीं करना और इसको ऐसे करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैथ का क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं तो टीचर विल टेल यू दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू ऐड इट, बट यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट दिस नंबर फ्रॉम दिस नंबर, ठीक है. इसी तरह से इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ न्यू रेसिपी, इट विल ऑल्सो कंटेन इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ठीक है. Somebody will give you instructions that put salt in it, put spices in it, ठीक है, put chicken in it, whatever you are making, ठीक है. So instructions contain a lot of headings to guide us different steps. Now your friend Yuwon has accidentally mixed up the headings for his experiment on how plants need light to grow. Read his notes below to find these headings, then help him to rearrange his notes in the correct order. What happened with this paragraph, that one of your friend has mixed the headings. Now you have to help him to arrange him, ठीक है, arrange all these headings. You will need to add some punctuation and numbers. Note that the instructions have 4 different headings. They have 4 headings, ठीक है. We have to put them in their correct order, ठीक है. You once notes the beans in the darkened jar have not grown as much as the beans in the other jar. Conclusion: water, plant 3 broad bean seeds in the soil of each jar. Add a small amount of water to each jar every day. 2 jars. Soil. Method. Purpose: equipment: wrap one of the bell jars in the aluminium foil. Plants need light to grow. 6 broad bean seeds. After 2 weeks, take off the foil from one jar and compare the growth of the broad beans and results. Then put soil at the bottom of 2 jars to see how light affects plant growth. Okay, obviously क्या होगा कि कंक्लूजन तो सेकंड नंबर पे नहीं आ सकता. ठीक है, हम एक इंस्ट्रक्शन किसी को दे रहे हैं तो उसमें ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट पे कंक्लूजन नहीं आएगा. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. सो स्टूडेंट्स, we have to arrange them in these lines. So in our textbook we have read that they always begin with a capital letter and they occupy a line by themselves. ठीक है, but we haven't much space on this page. ठीक है, so we will not do it as they are saying. ठीक है, we will do it like this. ठीक है, so at the very first what we need these equipments. ठीक है, and in the question they also asked us to use some punctuations. ठीक है, so we will use this colon. ठीक है, we will use colon after the equipment. So what are the equipments which we need for this experiment? After this, what we need, what is the first equipment which we need? That is the water. Then we need soil. Put comma in these things. Why we are putting comma in it? Because we are listing the items. ठीक है, water, then soil. After water and soil we need 2 jars, then 6 broad bean seeds, and at the end we will put full stop. Then number 2, it will be the method, and put colon here. Put soil at the bottom of the 2 jars, comma, plant 3 broad bean seeds in jar, full stop. Add a small amount of water to each jar every day, full stop. Wrap one of the jar in aluminium foil. Number 3, purpose, and put colon after writing heading to see how light affects plant growth, full stop. What is the purpose of this experiment? ठीक है, that we want to see that how light affects the plant's growth. Then number 4, result, put colon. Compare the growth of the broad beans. Then number 5 is conclusion, put colon. Plant need light to grow, or plants need light to grow. Plants need light to grow. ठीक है, page number 5, page number 6, page number 7, you have done it with Ma'am Momina. So now we are going to do page number 8. These are the imperatives. Before doing the activity work of this topic, ठीक है, we must have to look on these imperatives, and these are on page number 7 of your textbook. So students, in our class I have explained it to you very briefly, but today we are going to look on it. ठीक है, ताकि ये आपके मेमोरी में एक दफ़ा से रिकॉल हो जाए कि what are the imperatives. When your teacher says to your class, open your English textbook to page number 7, he or she just used an imperative. The imperative is a verb form used to tell us to do things. What are the imperatives? Imperatives are the verb form which we use to tell others that they have to do this or this thing. ठीक है, they are used to tell us to do things. ठीक है, for example, when I am asking you open your page number 7 of your textbook, take out your textbook or take out your activity book or take out your pencils, take out your erasers, go to your seat. ठीक है, इस तरह से अगर मैं आपको कहती हूँ कि तो इसमें ये जितने भी फर्स्ट वर्ड्स होंगे सारे, ऑल दीज आर द इम्पेरेटिव्स एंड दीज आर माई ऑर्डर्स विच आई एम गिविंग टू यू. ठीक है, look at the examples. Go home now, go. Then show me the money, then ask Olivia. ठीक है, then take it away, move it, start. Look at the imperatives, they are at the start of the sentence. ठीक है, and what are the verb shows the action. ठीक है, विच एक्शन वी आर डूइंग, कोई भी काम हम कर रहे हैं, कोई भी चीज़ है तो, हमारा काम, हमारी बात, तो वो वर्ब के थ्रू हम दूसरों को बताते हैं. ठीक है, उसके लिए हम वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं. दैट दे हैड स्टार्टेड राइटिंग द लेसन. तो स्टार्टेड जो है वो एक वर्ब है. ठीक है, स्टार्ट ईडी लगा दिया हमने उसके साथ. ठीक है, तो वो उसकी पास्ट पार्टिसिपल बन जाता है. तो इस तरह से हम वर्ब वगैरह यूज़ करके दूसरों को बताते हैं कि हम या कोई दूसरा बंदा फ़ला काम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो इन इम्पेरेटिव्स दीज आर द वर्ब फॉर्म दैट इज़ यूज टू टेल अस टू डू थिंग्स. ठीक है, सो एज इन इंस्ट्रक्शंस वेयर इंस्ट्रक्शंस कंटेन हेडिंग्स, देयर ऑल्सो दे इंस्ट्रक्शंस कंटेन मैनी ऑफ द इम्पेरेटिव्स. Instructions contain many imperatives to tell us what to do. The following instructions are all imperatives. Put oil in the saucepan and heat it. Mash the tomatoes lightly with a fork. Add basil and cook for 1 minute longer. Stir the batter until it is smooth. Then drain the spaghetti in a colander and stir the butter through to coat the stands. So ये थे हमारे पास imperatives. ठीक है, now move towards the activity book. The imperative is the verb form used for giving orders and instructions. यानी कि दूसरों को orders या instructions देने के लिए we will use these imperatives, or we are using these imperatives. The following instructions give directions on the proper use of roller blades. Identify all the imperatives by underlining them. The first one has been done for you. These sentences have few of the imperatives and we have to underline them, and they have done the first one for us. ठीक है, find a flat grassy area where you can get used to balancing on your blades. They have done it. Number 2, stand in the ready position with your toes pointed out in a V position. Bend your knees and lean forward slightly at the waist. Balance your weight on the balls of your feet. Stand in the, we are giving order or the instruction to the other, so we will underline it because this is the imperative. Then in the next line, bend your knees. This is also instruction or the order. ठीक है, so this is the imperative, we will underline it. Then balance your weight on the balls of your feet. Then balance is the imperative. Shift your weight forward, backward and to the sides of your blades. So shift is the imperative. Moving forward. Number 1, practice walking on your skates first. We have 2 imperatives. Practice walking. ठीक है, to underline these 2. Take one small step at a time. So take imperative is the take, or take is the imperative. Number 2, push off slowly with one foot and glide on the other. Push is the imperative, underline it, and then glide is also the imperative. Then repeat this with the other foot. So repeat is the imperative. Then stopping. Your right heel is your braking heel. So we can feel that there isn't any kind of order or any kind of instruction. To stop, bring your bent knees close together first. So we will underline this, bring. ठीक है. Then number 2, press down lightly on your right heel and bring yourself to a halt. Press is the imperative. Then number 3, control your speed so that you do not go too fast at first. Control is the imperative. Then falling, number 1, practice your falls on grass first. Number 2, to fall properly, keep your head up and hold out your hands to break your fall. Number 3, try to land on your hands and knee pads. This will minimize the impact on your body. Practice is the imperative. Then keep is the imperative. Hold out is the imperative. Try is the imperative. So these were the imperatives on this page. You can find them easily now, okay? And do it on your activity book. This is it for today's class, students. One thing which I am noticing from our previous lectures or previous classes and from our tests as well, okay, that few of the students from you guys are not writing all the work on the notebook or on the activity book. Why I am asking it or I am saying it कि जब भी टेस्ट मिलता है तो सो मैनी स्टूडेंट्स वर आस्किंग दैट मैम समरी की वीडियो बना दें, मैम समरी नहीं है, मैम वर्ड्स मीनिंग नहीं मिल रहे हैं. दैट मीन यू गाइज आर नॉट डूइंग दिस वर्क ऑन योर नोटबुक्स. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर आप मेरी वीडियो पूरी देखें, ठीक है, और कॉपी पे आपने काम उतारा हुआ हो तो दैट्स मीन कि आपको उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी ना वो काम ढूंढने के लिए मेरी वीडियोस में जाके. तो इसका ये मतलब है कि आप लोग साथ साथ काम नहीं कर रहे. सो अब नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए आपको साथ साथ काम कंप्लीट करना है. ठीक है, साथ साथ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ इट फॉर टुडेज क्लास. आई विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. और अगर इम्पेरेटिव्स और हेडिंग्स में कुछ समझ नहीं आया तो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. I will try my level best to tell you about these things in my next video. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz, students.